really nice to see such a full house. The lights are shining bright, and I hope you enjoy your evening. Welcome again to the 10th edition of Pecha Kucha Maastrichts. As you mentioned, my name is Charanya, which actually means the source of all knowledge. So I stand here today to bullshit in the spirit of knowledge, and hopefully we gain something out of it, and I give you some thought-provoking ideas as well. Yeah. So there you go, my profession. By profession, I'm a lecturer of marketing. So I think that's a good start of why bullshit is such a pet idea to me as well. But moving on, I believe that we live in a world of black and white, as you can see on the canvas at the back as well. We live in a very dualistic society where we are constantly searching for answers which either give us a yes or a no. So there is no middle ground where ideas can meet, where people can connect, where conflicts get resolved, which is quite rare in the world that we live in. So I believe that therefore we need to draw inspiration from nature. Nature which is so colorful, which thrives in a multitude of colors. So if you look at the picture in the background, it's a very tiny part of a very small leaf. And if you look at it, it's amazing in the terms of all the colors that it has. So I think we have a lot to learn from what is around us and kind of assimilate that kind of knowledge. So the concept I'm presenting today is about demystifying this need that we have to live in black or white, to move away from a dualistic society by creating intellectual rhizomes. What is unique to a rhizome, which is presented here, is that if it's separated into different pieces, each piece may be able to give rise to a new plant. What does this mean in a cultural context? In a cultural context, therefore, a rhizome has no beginning, has no end. It's always in the middle. And therefore, this is the source of new ideas that spread in this very nomadic nature and try to sustain the world through it. But what is so great about this system of nomadic generation of ideas? What it does is that such a system enables us to find multiple solutions. So you can have a lazy brain, you can have a rickety old house of creativity, but if you think different and if you think in colors and different perspectives, you will always stumble upon different solutions to create or to solve that one problem that you're facing. Now, you might be wondering how all of this is related to bullshit. And I come to it now. I believe that bullshit actually provides this quintessential middle ground that brings together people and ideas in one space on one platform and gives you that opportunity to actually do something about it. So I'm here today not to really define what bullshit is. I think we kind of already know. So I'm not even